Thank you for sharing that information with me. Just as a recap, you stated that this cell phone you want to be economically priced, you want an excellent camera for all those life moments, and you want it customizable and easy to use. I think we have the product for you. I'm going to introduce you to the Samsung Galaxy J7, and we'll just start with your first qualification, the feature that it is economically priced. This is about $200 from us today, and that is comparatively really economically priced. This is a benefit to you because it's not quite a financial burden. The payments would only be $15 a month, and the risk of using it would be minimized. When you pull it out of your pocket and it falls on the ground, you know that that's only $15. I mean, for that price, you could go get a whole new one. And $15 a month, and the third thing, you know, if there is going to be any repairs, the parts to make this had to be at least economically priced as well, so any repairs could be done pretty easily. The second qualification or benefit that this could help you out with is it's an excellent camera. It has a wonderful back-facing camera and a front-facing camera for all those wonderful selfies. This allows you to capture memories better. You're able to take pictures on the go, even videos, and because of the pictures you can take on this, you can get compliments on social media all the time on what phone you're taking those pictures on, which is the Samsung Galaxy J7. And you can share all these pictures on any of the apps that can be stored within this, allowing you to share with many people the memories you want to share with your parents, with your grandparents, with your kids, which is really wonderful. The last qualification or benefit that this can have to your life is that it's very easy to use and customizable. What this means for you is that you get to have a phone experience that doesn't restrict your life but allows it to work better, and allows it to mesh with what's going on in your life. Say you don't need a certain app, you can get rid of it very fast and get a new one on there that will work better for you. You will receive more help from its tools. Whenever you're using Google and you say, find a restaurant near me that serves pizza or serves a good ice cream, it will be able to look at where you're at and recommend only the places that are open and the places that you've visited before, or if you're looking for a better experience, go to a new place. And the other thing that you can do is it'll make it easier for you to function and use this product to benefit your life and the lives around you. Let's say you want to know a good place to take your sick dog to the vet. This tool, the Samsung Galaxy, will be able to know where the closest vet is and be able to help you when those precious times come up, to get the help that you need. So this device has all these wonderful features and can bring the benefits to your life that you need. And I think we found the perfect product for you. Don't you agree that having this product will solve the concerns that we've been discussing here today?